I remember once visiting my uncle, your grandfather, when he was in hospital in Winnipeg. He was quite ill. And it was in the Health Sciences Center. And I remember visiting him and thinking there was something very different about the hospital. I couldn't put my finger on it. I remember going to visit, and we visited for I don't know how long that afternoon, and a bell went off. This is many years ago, and everybody got up to leave because the visiting time was over, and I finally figured out what the difference was. Everybody got up and left. They obeyed the rules. The Jewish general, they don't. You know, people wouldn't get up to leave. They'd say it's time to leave, the visiting time's over, they'd ignore it. So there's something kind of different about that.